Gianunsyo og daling gipatuman ang nilahugay sa mga kawani ug department head sa Cebu City Government karong Lunes, Marso 13. Atol sa flag raising ceremony, unang gipahibaw ang mga trabahante sa Cebu City Hall sa maong kausaban. Ang maong lakang subay sa mando ng reorganization plan si Cebu City Mayor 𝗵𝗂𝗆𝗆.
When you revamp, ako kaya na. Revamp. You just have to reorganize, and it may not have to be all. A reorganization will always be a part of a managerial policy when it comes to seeing beyond productivity, seeing beyond Singapore-like Cebu City.
Mahinumduman nga sa miaging buwan, nanawagan ang mayor sa mga kawani sa City Hall nga dili magmika sa ilang trabaho ug dili magtinapulan. Matod pa ni Rama, lakip sa gikonsiderar sa maong pag-reorganize ang performance sa mga opisyales ilabi na ang mga department heads. Nagkanayon si Rama nga adunay 3 ka departamento sa Cebu City Hall nga nagpabiling unproductive ug unfulfilled. Gani iyang gipangutana ang mga pangu sa maong mga departamento kung asa nila gusto ma-reassign.
Reorganization, where in 3 particular departments that you would still feel productive and fulfilled, that if I make my move as a mayor, where will you want to be? So I am basing on where they wish and did also my review.
Apil sa mga i-reorganize ang opisina sa Barangay Affairs Office, Business Permits and Licensing Office, Cebu City Youth Development Commission, Cebu City Tourism Office, Cebu City Transportation Office, City Hospitalization Assistance and Medicines Program, Cebu City Office for Substance Abuse Prevention, Cebu City Resource Management and Development Center, Cebu City Division for the Welfare of the Urban Poor, Department of Engineering and Public Works, Department of Public Services, Human Resource Development Office, Internal Audit Office, Land Management Office, Local School Board or City Superintendent, Management Information and Computer Services, Office of the Building Official, Office of the City Accountant, Office of the City Assessors, Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs, Prevention Restoration Order Beautification Enhancement, Sports Commission ug South Road Properties Management Office. Nasayran nga unang hugda pa lamang kini sa reorganization ug duna pa yung mga kausaban sa mosunod nga mga adlaw. Hagit sa mayor sa iyang mga kaubanan sa pagpanerbisyo, nga ipalabi ang culture of excellence aron makabot ang iyang tumong nga Singapore-like Cebu.
They knew pretty well that we have always, I was just discussing, we have to push and proceed on COE. What is COE? Culture of Excellence. Because we cannot reach the culture of excellence, forget about Singapore-like. And Singapore-like has to start at home.
Kini si Queenie Joligon alang sa 𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗎 Cebu.